Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia X30, and now I'm going to show you how to speed up your device. Okay, first let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. You should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly and at high dynamic of use. But despite the above, if you follow the instructions I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition so that it works at its best. Okay, the first aspect that can slow down your device is your memory. Yes, the onboard memory of a device is limited resource. Often the winner is the one who invests in a device with more built-in memory, and the whole point is the device with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up your memory. In order to free up space in your device, in your internal memory, you can delete unused apps or unviewed photos and videos. For example, to remove unused apps, just open your settings, then click Apps, click See All Apps, and here you will see all your applications with the size of this app. For example, I have on 223 the bench. I have installed this app in first day when I bought this device, and I don't need this app now. So I need to uninstall it. As you can see here, this app using 1 gigabyte, 2 megabytes cache and 4 megabytes user data. Of course, you can clear cache. It will help, but not so much. So we need to remove our application. Click Clear Storage. In this way you will clear storage, but now we need to uninstall it because I don't need this app. So you need to just remove all unused applications. Okay, great. The second way to free up your memory, so you can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage and remove it from your device. For example, you can pay for it, you can pay for cloud storages, or you can just use only free storages. For example, Google account, if you have a Google account, and if you have Android, you have Google account, I know it. You don't need, but you can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. Google Photos, it's pre-installed application. It will give you 15 gigabytes for free. After it, of course, you will need to pay for it. You need to pay $1 for 100 gigabytes and $2 for 200 gigabytes. But you can use it for free. Then if you will fill up your 15 gigabytes, you can create new Google account and use 15 gigabytes for free on another account. So you can use Google for 15 gigabytes for free, you can use Mega for 50 gigabytes for free, you can use Dropbox and other cloud storage applications. So if you want to enable backup in Google Photos, just click Turn on Backup. You can use original quality or storage saver and click Confirm. Wait a while, and after backing up all your photos, wait for it. Okay, you can remove your photos and videos from your device, clicking Free Up Space. As you can see, I can free up 15 gigabytes. And great, 15 gigabytes was successfully free up. And now I have these photos and videos in my device, but I have it, I have photos and videos in my cloud storage, but I have no these photos and videos in my internal storage. So it's really good. Okay. The second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is a lack of RAM. All the processes the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winners is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications, so click on square button and unload your running applications, or you can, of course, you can restrict the running applications in background via settings. And the third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files, and these files are not noticeable to the average user of the Android device. In order to clean this file, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you use Keep Clean Android app. So CleanDroid, CleanDroid Android app. Why? Because it's completely free. It doesn't contains ads, and it's simple. It's very simple. It does not work in background. So I think this is the best resolve. Of course, you can buy CDMate. CDMate is the most powerful cleaner for your Android device, but you need to pay for it. You need to pay for it $2. It's very good app, but we can use free app, so why we need to pay? So click accept, click enable, click CleanDroid, enable display our other apps, go back, click enable, go it, CleanDroid, use CleanDroid, allow. And great, as you can see, I have 500 megabytes of junk files in my storage, and I have I have 0 bytes of junk files in my RAM memory. So I want to clean junk. How to do it? Just click on clean button, click allow, wait a while, cleaning, and great, junk files was successfully removed from my device. And now here in this right top corner, you can click on this button and click enable now. Okay, CleanDroid, permit user access, go back, and here you will see all your applications running in RAM right now. And as you can see, Google Play Store use 5% of my RAM. Okay, it's good. I can stop it, but for stop, okay. I can stop it, and now it is not consumes my RAM. But of course, for example, I will open, I don't know, Chrome browser, and now it will use my memory. Okay, maybe it does not work so good because it's free application, but this application can effectively clean your junk files. So I think this good app, but you can recommend me better app in comments. But this app need to be free, completely free, and without ads. Okay, so of course you can use any application to clean. You can use phone cleaner, phone cleaner. You can use CCleaner. You can use Avast Cleaner. Okay, and you can use AVG cleaner. So you can use any cleaner app, but remember that this app need to be free and need to not work in background, okay? And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.